What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of GBP JPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, we can find a significant trading opportunity in GBP JPY. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade GBP JPY, starting with first of all monthly time frame to see the general direction in the market. Now, on the monthly perspective, what do we see that GBP JPY is long-term bullish market. Starting from here, we have seen this big impulsive move to the upside, followed by this correction, then another impulse correction, which is a typical uptrending market structure, creating series of higher high and higher low. In this market, we have seen a very long bullish doji. At some point we have seen that this candle in fact penetrated this historically low support here, grabbed the liquidity, tested this support here as this support as a support, and then grabbed a huge liquidity, closed as a long bullish doji. Now with that doji, we have seen another bullish engulfer previous months, which is signaling for potential long-term movement to the upside. As a result, this month, what we have seen after the market open, bears tried to push the price down, but we have seen that again the bulls are pushing this price high. Now, if we take our Fibonacci for this move on GBP JPY, what do we see that exactly from 38.2% Fibonacci level, GBP JPY is now rejecting to the upside, signaling a strong uptrending market movement, and we could potentially see that this candle and afterwards couple of monthly candle to the upside. That means that on the time frame perspective, we could potentially see a bigger move in GBP JPY. Starting with weekly perspective, we see that in fact on the weekly as well, starting from here, we see there is a liquidity grab from bottom of this doji, created this weekly impulse, then followed by a correction. Now it is in another impulsive phase, highly likely that this candle also will create new higher high in GBP JPY on the weekly perspective. That means that it is also in that time frame bullish. Looking at a daily time frame, what we see that on the daily perspective, GBPJPY created a very strong uptrending market structure. Starting from here, this is the impulse on the daily correction with this doji, another impulse, little correction. Now you see that bulls again pushing that price high. Now, if you closely look at on this all these daily candle, we see that there is a very strong bullish engulfer here on the daily, with a liquidity grab from this bottom of this previous day's bullish candle, and also from this doji, which is a very important level of support. And from that zone, we have seen a very strong push to the upside, followed by this doji previous day. So when you see this kind of bullish engulfer followed by this doji, it's a continuation pattern. That means that we can potentially see further movement to the upside in this market. Now let's look at intraday perspectives to see in fact how we can find a trading opportunity. Now on this time frame, if we analyze this market, we see bulls also showing a very strong move. As you can see, there is a very strong bullish candle, followed by another bullish engulfer, which in fact crossed the low, crossed the high, followed by another bullish engulfer in the similar way. It has also crossed the low, crossed the high. Now what we see that followed by another bullish engulfer, back to back three bullish engulfer, creating series of higher low with this structure, signaling a potential stronger movement to the upside on GBP JPY. So we are expecting to find a suitable entry opportunity on the lower time frame for a potential bullish setup on this market with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comments section which way you are trading GBP JPY. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.